Is pallet wood worth it? Yes, if you're broke. You can get it at a cheap price, and the potential is endless. So I give a big thumbs up to using pallet wood, especially for beginners. You don't want to make an investment into buying wood because wood is expensive. So starting with something you can get for free is where you want to start. You're broke, you don't want to spend money. So it is a lot of work to break down the pallet. But it's worth it, and you'll see some of the things that I made over these last several months using pallet wood. The first thing you can make is a wall rack. This wall rack I use to hang my gardening tools for my plants. I even made this box so I could change the position of where I would like to put my plant. But you can make something like this and put it anywhere. This can even double as a trellis. So a wall rack, a wall rack or a trellis. The second thing you can make is these planter boxes. I have a video on my channel on how to make these, so go ahead and check that out. You can make these planter boxes as a vanity pot. I resawed the wood to make these slats, and I made a cubed frame on the inside. So this is also a really good beginner's build. You learn framing and you get to play with design. A third project you can make is a fence for your garden. I did not make this, but looking at this is something that you can do with pallets. Not everything has to be professional looking. Go ahead, make it, try it. It's an easy build. You can make a fence along your garden. The fourth thing you can make with pallet wood is raised beds. This one I have on wheels so I can move it around based off of the sun. On this one I'm growing some bell peppers. I also have a video on my channel of how to build this. This I made really fast. I really slapped this one together. Squeaky. This is another example of raised beds that you can build. These are elevated. This is a great use to repurpose pallet wood. You'll get to grow some food, grow a garden. The fifth thing you can make using just pallet wood, a table. I made the base of this table with just pallet wood. Now this table's not done yet. I just put the tabletop on here to show you guys. This just finished curing so I could start to add the matte finish on top. I followed the same premises as I did when I made my square box planters. We just have to add shelving midway. That way you can have your plant here and you have storage down here. So you can make a table. Overall, I just want to say that I think using pallet wood is worth it. Yes, it takes a lot of time and effort to break down and turn it into usable wood, but in the end it is worth it. You get to upcycle something that might have been thrown away. The possibilities are endless. It's up to you and your creativity. So I hope that these 5 projects will be of some inspiration or use to you. Thank you for watching, and show me what you make with your pallets.